Here at home, all eyes on Wall Street and Goldman Sachs. The company is set to release its first quarter earnings today, just as a new international investigation into fraud is launched involving the banking giant. CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is at the New York Stock Exchange this morning with the latest. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning, Maggie. And Goldman Sachs soaring past expectations with its earnings report today, saying it generated $12.8 billion in revenue in the first quarter. But that positive news will likely be overshadowed by the unprecedented civil lawsuit pending against Goldman. The crackdown on Wall Street won't end with financial powerhouse Goldman Sachs.
I absolutely expect that the SEC will bring more cases against other financial institutions. We just don't know which ones and for what.
In the first of its kind complaint filed Friday, the Securities and Exchange Commission alleges that Goldman misled investors when in 2007 it knowingly sold a group of risky mortgages that was secretly designed to fail.
And there's no doubt the SEC is taking a completely different stand and sending a shot across the bow of Wall Street. According to Goldman Sachs, they were never even given the opportunity to settle the case before it was announced, which in years past was a very typical SEC practice.
Goldman says the charges are completely unfounded and adds it will vigorously contest them and defend its reputation.
Our bill would have prevented that kind of events from happening.
In Washington, Congress is debating the biggest overhaul of financial regulation since the Great Depression. Democrats are using the allegations to push their plan against Republican opposition.
It's so much more effective to go to the floor with a bipartisan bill.
Critics suggest that the timing of the SEC's lawsuit is hardly coincidental. But on Monday, the Obama administration denied any connection to the financial reform bill.
The SEC doesn't notify the White House of its enforcement actions, and certainly didn't do so in this case.
Members of the House are pushing for an expanded investigation of Goldman Sachs. Meantime, the firm Goldman Sachs has hired former White House counsel Gregory Craig.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.